Hi, Jer. You say hi.
Hi. Hi, sweetie. How you doing? Fine. What you doing? Mama, I'm playing with my iPad. You're playing on your iPad? What are you playing on your iPad? My coloring thing. Your what? My coloring thing.
Your Crayola color game?
Yeah. Oh, that iPad. Okay, I'm glad that you're using that. I was just calling because I really, really missed you, and I just wanted to tell you that.
Did you hear Mamie? She said she really misses you.
Me too. I really wish that we could play together today. Me too. That would be so fun if we could, like, I don't know, just hang out, play together, do stuff. You know?
Adrian,
Talk to me. Say yeah.
Yeah.
would it be fun if you could hang out with
What are you
Mamie?
doing for the rest of the day? Playing with my iPad. All day?
Can you go get the door?
You're going to be playing with it all day long? You can.
All right, I'll go with you. Come on.
Here,
Hold on,
talk
Mamie.
to
Somebody's at the door.
Oh, sorry. Emily.
Go ahead. Let's go see who's at the door. Here, come here.
Somebody's at the door.
Come here, Jerry. What the?
Who is this?
Hi, lover. What do you think? Are you surprised? I got one too.
Did you know Mamie was coming today?
Did you